Guys, how to get cooked owl. Guys, how to get cuckoo owl. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to make cuckoo owl, how to get free cooked owl in Grow a Garden. Join up the update because every time, 30 minutes before the update drops, there is a huge party in Grow a Garden. It's lit up. Everybody is lit up, and you actually can literally get free stuff. You can get free disco plants, you can get free yendo, you can get free owl, cuckoo owl. So right now, Yendo is gonna give you free cooked owl. There will be a new prismatic seed as well. Look, new prismatic seed will be added in this update, which is insane. They just announced it with the website. Wait, the website is down. There you go. Get the new update. There you go, new update. Join the update, get yourself a free owl, get yourself some free credits, seeds, whatever you want. And this is literally how you get the cuckoo owl. This is how you get cooked owl.